Let's talk about frequently asked questions. One question a Sutra customers ask a lot is, why should I use topical magnesium instead of oral magnesium? Both are really great for you. As we know, magnesium is critical for over 300 healthy body processes. But sometimes it's helpful to use topical magnesium in the form of a body butter or lotion or in the form of a spray. Why is that? Well, the main reason is that when you use magnesium topically instead of orally, it bypasses your digestive tract. And that helps you in two ways. One, some people get stomach upset when they take magnesium orally in pill or powder form. Using it topically means you avoid that stomach upset. The second reason is that when you apply magnesium to your skin instead of ingesting it, it goes to work sooner. Instead of having to pass through your digestive system to start working, when you apply it to your skin, it can go to work right away, relieving muscle cramps, aches, and pains, creating a sense of calm, or helping you sleep better at night.